Kickstart your research journey. A beginner's guide. Hey there, future researchers. If you've ever thought about diving into research but didn't know where to begin, this video is for you. Let's break down how to start your research from scratch in a way that will make your mind race with possibilities. Ready? Let's get started. The mindset shift. First things first. Research isn't just about finding answers. It's about asking the right questions. Some of the most groundbreaking discoveries in history started not in a lab, but with a question. Think about it. What gets you truly excited? What mysteries keep you up at night? Grab onto that curiosity and don't let go. Research begins not with a pile of data, but with a curiosity that burns inside you. So ask yourself, what do I wonder about? What problem am I excited to solve? Take that spark and let it lead you down the research rabbit hole. Building a foundation. Once you've got that burning question, it's time to build a solid foundation. Research isn't just about running experiments or reading papers in isolation. It's about understanding the context, the history, the ongoing conversations in your chosen field. Dive into the existing literature. Read books, scientific journals, research papers. Absorb everything you can get your hands on. Talk to experts in the field, attend conferences, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The deeper you understand the landscape, the clearer your question becomes, and the better equipped you'll be to navigate your research journey. Chapter 3. Finding your niche. Now that you've explored the big picture, it's time to zoom in. A huge mistake many new researchers make is tackling too broad a topic. Instead, focus on a specific angle. This is where innovation is born. Your research should aim to add something new, even if it's a small discovery. In the vast sea of knowledge, your unique perspective is what will make you stand out. So don't be afraid to carve your own path and focus your lens on a specific question that fascinates you. Chapter 4. Crafting a research plan. Next, it's all about strategy. A well-structured plan is your roadmap to navigate the complexities of your chosen field. Craft a research plan that outlines your objectives, the specific questions you want to answer, and the methods you'll use. Establish a realistic timeline, breaking down your research into manageable phases with clear milestones. Identify the tools, equipment, funding, or collaborations you might need along the way. A solid plan turns chaos into clarity, and clarity turns research into results. Chapter 5. Embrace the journey. Finally, remember, research is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a journey of exploration, filled with unexpected twists and exhilarating discoveries. There will be failures, roadblocks, and dead ends. But that's part of the process. Embrace those challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Even the most brilliant minds in history faced setbacks and failures. It's how they learned, adapted, and ultimately made groundbreaking discoveries. Celebrate the small wins along the way. Every piece of data analyzed, every hypothesis tested, every obstacle overcome is a step forward. Keep that fire of curiosity burning, stay adaptable, and never be afraid to explore uncharted territory. Outro: keep exploring. So there you have it, a roadmap to start your research from scratch. Think about your question, explore the existing knowledge, find your niche, and create a solid plan. Most importantly, keep the fire of curiosity burning. Research is a powerful tool for change, and the world needs your unique ideas. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow researchers, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to master the research journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay passionate, and keep researching. See you in the next one.